Hi, to the next question is based on total profit and loss. This question I will categorize as go with the flow. Read the question and just start doing it. So Minu purchased a pair of sunglasses for ₹1,000 and sells to Kanu at 20% profit. All right. So Minu, the cost price of sunglasses is 1,000 and the profit is 20%. So we can say the selling price for Minu must be 1,200 rupees. Yeah. All right. Now the next line is saying that Kanu sells it back to Minu at 20% lock. So Kanu sells it back to Minu at 20% lock. So the cost price for Kanu is 1,200 and it is a 20% loss. That means 10% is 120. So 20% is 240 rupees. So if I subtract 240 from 1,200, it would be 960 rupees. So this is selling price for Minu. Yeah, 10% is 120, 20% is 240. That is how I have think. And if I subtract 240, it would be 960. Yeah. So this is the selling price for Minu. Now, Minu sell it back. Minu sells the same pair of glasses to the Tanu. And total profit made by Minu from all the transaction is 500 rupees. So profit of Minu is 500 rupees total. So Minu has gained 300 rupees, sorry, 200 rupees here. Yeah. And the remaining 300 rupees must be from here. So Minu gain a profit of 200 from Kanu and the remaining 300 she will gain from Tanu. So the profit percentage must be 300 rupees over 960 rupees. That is 5 by 18. 5 by 16. Yeah. And 1 by 16 is how much? 6.25%. I hope that you have remembered these 1 by percentage value till 1 by 21 and 1 by 25. This is thoroughly remembered by heart. So this is 31.25%. So this is an easy go with the flow question. Write the data and solve it. All right. See you in the next video. Bye.